Hello guys, it's Black Stallion here again, and today I would like to talk about the beginning project called TENEO. So by running a TENEO node on your PC while you're browsing, just like every day you're browsing, you can also help to contribute to the TENEO network. And when you do that, you are helping TENEO access publicly available data and allowing it to get shared fairly, so that not just all the big tech corporations control that data alone. So also I would like to walk you through how you can run a TENEO node, and we can go over how to navigate the TENEO extension together. So I'm just going to click on that on my own screen now and walk you guys through how that works. So here's the TENEO node. I already have the extension installed. If you are getting started, I'll drop a link in the description of this YouTube video where you can sign up and also get started. So basically, when you open your extension, this is what you will see. This is where you see the points you earned on a particular day, and this is where you see the points you earned in total. All these points are going to accrue to you getting some rewards in terms of tokens from TENEO when they launch their token. So now let's take a quick walk through the dashboard. But before we do that, I have to mention that for each 15 minutes you are connected to the TENEO node, you get what TENEO calls a heartbeat, right? So by the time this counts down, I would have gotten one heartbeat. So the way they do that is that in 24 hours, that means you can get as much as 96 heartbeats if you are actively connected to the network. Now let's take a look at the dashboard. I'm going to click on the dashboard button and we're going to see how that works. So here's the dashboard here, and I've just opened it up, and you can see the dashboard just shows you more information about your account, your total points, your daily points, your total heartbeats. So far, I've been able to accrue up to 2,990 heartbeats. I mentioned earlier that for every 15 minutes you get one heartbeat as long as your node is connected. You can also see more breakdown about how you got your total points here. And for today, you can see my node uptime today. I've gotten 24 heartbeats, right? That means that for each 15 minutes, I was able to that I had my node connected today. I was able to get 24 heartbeats. Now let's go to the reward section. On the reward section, you can see that there are some tasks you can do. Here, you just have to link your wallet. Here, you have to do the Twitter task. You connect your Discord here, and you join Telegram to earn these extra rewards that you can see here. Also, you can also get connectivity streaks here. They have different tiers that you can claim. So if you are connected if you're able to accumulate like 96 habits, you'll be able to get these points, and so on and so forth. You have the 7 days, they have the 14 days, and I'm going to be claiming mine, which is very soon. I just hit, like I showed you on the screen earlier, I've been able to get more than 2,880 habits here. So now I'm eligible for these to claim this. So I'll be claiming that very soon. So now let's go to the referral section. So referral section is where you get to pick up your referral link, and you can share it on your social media pages, the X, Discord, and so on and so forth. And they also have referral levels. So based on the number of people you can refer, you'll be able to get more points, extra points from that too. So you can also check out your profile. You have your email and your wallet that you've linked, and so on and so forth. More information about your account. Now, I have to mention this before I end this video. There's here on your own screen, you have a part here where you can create what we call a machine ID. So this machine ID is responsible for making your TENEO contributor account come on chain. So normally it's just an account you have created before, but by creating an ID, there's certain requirements you will need to create an ID, by the way. So by the time I already have mine created, that's why you can see this, but you are going to need to create it. And so by the time you click on the prompt to want to create one, the button you want to create, the button you're going to click to want to create a machine ID for yourself, you see the requirements that you need to be able to claim one for yourself, and you'll be able to get that done. So I strongly recommend you do that, and that could help. That will help a lot in helping you get your account to show that you are really a huge contributor, and that gets your account on chain. So in case you have any other questions, you can come here below here where we have the help and FAQs. Here you can get more information about TENEO, what they're all about. I already give you hints about what they're all about. So but when you come here, you can get more information about them. And there's also the Discord link somewhere. I think if you still have more questions, there's a Discord link somewhere. Let me get that. All right, so just below the FAQ page is where you have the Discord link. So you can join the Discord, and very responsive Discord they've got there. So they'll be able to answer any more questions that you have. So the key is just make sure that your node is always running. Try to check on it from time to time, because sometimes you never know, your network could get disconnected. You want to make sure that every countdown of 15 minutes counts, right? So because for each 15 minutes you spend connected contributing to the TENEO node, you are going to be rewarded with one heartbeat, and all of this accrues to give you more points. So that's it, guys. So don't just don't just browse alone. You can also run a TENEO node, contribute to the network, and you can earn yourself some future potential token rewards from TENEO. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, please like, share, and let's watch out for the next video I'll bring to you. Thanks, and bye-bye.